if like just getting through is not really truly living, and if you just get through this bit, that's all well and good, but then you've probably got another thing planned that you'll need to just get through. Hello, my lovely dear humans on the internet. I'm here to share a story, an experience, and just some helpful guidance, I suppose. Currently, at the moment, I think I just need to admit and realise that I am kind of burnt out, really. For a couple of weeks or so, it was the end of term at uni, and I thought, great, oh my gosh, I have 4 spare weeks. Wow, okay, let's do XYZ. We can just do so much and we can get so much of our uni work done and everything. But I've been told, I guess, through my body that I need to stop. Things just feel a bit chaotic. Like, I love that I have amazing aspects of my life that I just cherish so much. I have such amazing friends, and I have such amazing community of people that I know through networking, and I have so many ideas and visions of projects I want to build, but sometimes I'm so tired, and I can't do it all. This evening I plan to go out to another networking event, and I love these things, don't get me wrong, I truly love them, but my body just says no. Like, I am so exhausted. The hard truth about living your dream, like, I am truly living my dream right now, and I have so many aspects of life which I've worked so damn hard to build up, and it's literally what I wanted for so long. But then, through being burnt out, I can't enjoy it like I usually do. So I am going to give you some tips on recovering from burnout, because I think I need to know this as much as other people need to know this. But the first tip is, you don't know how long you might need to recover. If it's possible, just don't give yourself a deadline. Yeah, so I think the thing is not introducing too much too soon, because I've done that, and I've literally just done that again, like done too much too soon. And I know for myself, like, even if I love the things that I have planned, if I'm like, okay, I just need to get through doing this, like, that's when I know I've hit burnt out, and but I've hit burnout, and if like just getting through is not really truly living, and if you just get through this bit, that's all well and good, but then you've probably got another thing planned that you'll need to just get through. So that's kind of a sign for me that I know I've hit it. I think also it's just really important after hitting burnout, like, just do nothing and try and have as little expectations for things as possible. I know the world we live in, and it's completely easier said than done, just reducing your expectations. But if you can just prioritize, like, the bare minimum of what needs to be done. I just really need to learn my lesson. Like, there have been multiple times where I just keep hitting this stage, and it's horrible, and the only thing I can do is rest. Like, my body is literally like, no, you're not doing any more, like, listen to me, please stop. And it makes me stop, and I have no choice. And I think the next few days I just need to take really slow, and even once I've got up to full speed, in a way, essentially, I still need to be careful and go steady. Just be kind to yourself, give yourself as little expectation as possible, and just as much room as possible to rest. To not schedule so much in the calendar, to prioritize only what truly needs prioritizing, knowing that you can build it up gradually when you feel more in a restful state. I hope that to anyone watching this who has burnout, that you can learn to rest and learn that it is okay to sometimes take a step back and to take things more at a slower pace. Yeah, and just be kind to yourself and take care of yourself, because even though I don't know you, you're probably an awesome being, you know, and you have so much gifts to give to the world. Like, you are one unique, incredible being. So please, please, please look after yourself and listen to your body and do what your body needs you to do, which, if it's rest, to rest. Sometimes society, it forces us into believing that we need to just go, go, go constantly, or do this, do that, that all equals success and happiness, when actually it's not the truth, really. And we are human at the end of the day, and we do need time to rest and do nothing. And that is not lazy. In fact, that is the complete opposite of laziness, because the more we rest, the more productive we can be. Yeah, the more capacity we have when we can enter a restful state. Definitely. So yeah, whoever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope the very best for you, and you'll get through this. We'll get through this together.